The Demon Core incident refers to a series of criticality accidents involving a plutonium core at the Los Alamos National Laboratory in the mid-1940s, shortly after the end of World War II. This core, originally intended to be used in a third atomic bomb against Japan, became infamous after it was involved in two separate accidents that exposed scientists to lethal doses of radiation. The core itself was a 6.2-kilogram sphere of plutonium-gallium alloy, and it earned the nickname Demon Core due to the deadly consequences associated with it. The first accident occurred on August 21, 1945, when physicist Harry Daghlian was conducting an experiment to determine how close the core could be brought to criticality by surrounding it with neutron-reflective tungsten carbide bricks. While working alone in a lab late at night, Daghlian accidentally dropped one of the bricks onto the assembly, pushing the core into a supercritical state and causing a burst of radiation. He immediately attempted to remove the brick, successfully stopping the reaction, but not before receiving a massive dose of neutron and gamma radiation. Over the following weeks, he experienced severe radiation sickness and ultimately died 25 days later, becoming the first victim associated with the Demon Core. The second and more widely known accident took place on May 21, 1946, involving physicist Louis Slotin, who was demonstrating a similar criticality experiment to a group of colleagues. This time, the core was placed between two beryllium hemispheres that acted as neutron reflectors, and Slotin used a simple screwdriver to keep the hemispheres slightly apart, preventing the system from going critical. This procedure, sometimes referred to as tickling the dragon's tail, was extremely dangerous and relied entirely on manual control. During the demonstration, the screwdriver slipped, allowing the hemispheres to close completely around the core, instantly driving it into a supercritical state. Witnesses reported seeing a blue flash caused by ionizing radiation interacting with the air and feeling a wave of heat. Slotin quickly reacted, knocking the top hemisphere off with his hand, thus ending the reaction and likely saving the others in the room, but at the cost of exposing himself to a fatal dose of radiation. He died 9 days later after suffering intense radiation sickness, while several of the observers also experienced varying levels of exposure but survived. These incidents highlighted the extreme dangers of handling fissile materials without proper safety protocols and led to significant changes in laboratory procedures, including the introduction of remote-controlled equipment and stricter safety standards in nuclear research. The Demon Core itself was later melted down and recycled, but its legacy remains a powerful reminder of the risks associated with early nuclear experimentation and the human cost of scientific advancement during a period of rapid technological development and limited understanding of radiation safety.